Good morning, sir. My name is Krishna Thakur. I am FME from Gwalior Zone. Here, I would like to talk about few tools like AST and eGraver tools, which completely change my ways of working. eGraver is a tool which enables to view complete network health in a single window. This is just like having monitoring terminal in our hands. And second one is AST, alarm handy tool, is a tool where we can see status update right any specific sites or any specific problems. This is a pinpoint information support to us. All such tools are having helping me to simplify my day to day life, and I am having all digital tools to help business, and proudly I can say that on my tower themes is a new ways of working and supporting business teams in least possible time. We all are excited towards new ways of working and on my towers concept. This is delivered to MS 3.0, a customer experience driven MS.
Hi all, I am Ashish Panchal, FME from Indore Zone MPCG Circle. I am going to share some changes which I have observed in transformation from MS2 to MS3. In MS3, I am digitally enabled with various tools and technologies, and I am going to share the experiences through which I have ever gone through it. Earlier in MS 2.0, I was getting calls from my alarm monitoring team for any kind of site down informations or network related issues. After receiving call, I used to call to my RAN L1 FM team and my transmission L1 FM team to get the exact root cause of site outages. After that, I used to move towards sites for network restoration or rectification. Now, in MS 3.0, I am equipped with various tools like AHT, like eGrabber, and also I am getting auto calls, auto work orders for site outages. I'm in while using these tools, I am self-dependent and I'm getting exact root cause directly without calling to any other team. This makes me independent, and also the MTTR is also reduced significantly. This MS 3.0 boosts up my confidence as well. Thank you.
Hi, good evening all. Myself CM Gurneet Kukreja. Transformation which spearheaded the MS 3.0 delivery with respect to MS 2.0 delivery are we have moved forward from traditional operation driven MS to customer experience driven MS. For doing so, we have been enabled with new tools like eGrabber, and also we have enhanced new existing tools like AHT, WFM, Feed. MS 3.0 delivery comprises of one big concept, that is own my tower. Own my tower along with business interlock and all the field forces FME and TSM are mapped so as to provide faster and efficient way of resolving customer issues. Here, own my tower is a central force that drives all the activities in the field today. Teams are aligned and with full force to ensure delight from end customer.
Program management desk is well initiated for operational point of view. Every 1-2 hours we received a call from OMCR team. They share us latest update greater than 2 hours in both category active and passive. So with the help of this initiate, we always update and know what's going on in our operation and where is our exact pendency. Especially this call is more useful when we are not in office or away from our laptop. So thank you very much, Ericsson team.
Hi. Program Management Desk is the great initiative taken by Ericsson. This is the very useful team that we have built. They are calling on timely calling, and they are continuous calling to all the concern, including me, including all the senior leadership team in the TOCO, so that we can control the TAT for greater than 2 hour downsides. So it is very useful for customer perspective, and it is very useful for CMO reduction. So I think we need to continue this team. uh, they are actually giving the more benefit for control the outage. Thanks.